Xanterra has a long history of environmental commitments, and that was a big reason why I came to be a part of this company. I have the pleasure of being at the helm of the environmental program, but it's a program that really touches all aspects of our operations. The first thing that people see as an impact is the waste that they generate. Find ways for them to sort their waste during their stay, find ways for them to choose something that is reusable versus disposable, educate them about what we're doing and why we're doing it, and hopefully engage them in those programs. One of our challenges is that we operate in a lot of historic structures, and we can't just completely modernize, put new windows in, slap solar panels on the roofs of National Historic Landmarks, let's say. We have to nod to the historic structure. But when we talk about major renovations and new construction, there's quite a bit of opportunity there. One of them, and perhaps most notably, was the whole canyon redevelopment project. At the time, it was the largest sustainable design and construction project in the National Park Service's history. We did 5 new lodges down at Canyon. All 5 of them were certified through LEED. So basically from the onset of design through final completion of construction, we're focused on what's going into that, how we're designing mechanical systems, what materials and products we're putting in that, and ultimately creating a building that not only is a high performance building, but it's also something that is the cutting edge of sustainable design and construction. We have a long history of focusing on local and sustainable food. Our sustainable food program runs the gamut from spirits to beer to cheeses to those center of the plate items, bison, grass-fed beef. People are more and more cognizant of where their food comes from, and they want to make decisions that support a positive food system. So for us, it's been great to work with these local ranchers, local producers, and also tell stories around how these positive sustainability food programs impact our community as a whole. We are a hospitality company at the core of who we are, but we're a hospitality company that operates in spectacular places around the country and around the world. And so for us, we're not just running hotels, we're not just serving burgers, we're doing that in this instance, the world's first national park. And so with that comes a level of stewardship that's required. And that way we can really use our position here in Yellowstone as a great platform for talking about why environmental preservation is important.